Hi, welcome to Raw Math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on systems of equations. I have two problems here. This first problem I could solve with elimination because the x's are lined up, the equal signs are lined up, the y's are lined up, and the constants are lined up. Usually people miss the equal signs, but everything has to be lined up for elimination. But I am going to choose to multiply this second equation, this 1/2 x equaling 2y minus 2, through by 2. So if I multiply both sides by 2, then I have x equals 4y minus 4. And then I'm going to take this and substitute it in to the top equation. So I'm going to get 2 times 4x minus 4, replacing x with what x equals 5y minus 2. Distribute 8y minus 8 equals 5y minus 2. Now I'm going to subtract 5y from both sides, and I'm going to add 8 to both sides. Let's see. 8 minus 5 is 3y. Cancel, equals, cancel. 6 divide by 3, and y is equal to 2. I'm going to plug this into the top equation to figure out what x equals. So 2x equals 5 times 2 minus 2. 2x equals 10 minus 2. 2x equals 8. Divide by 2, and x is equal to 4. So I want my answer to be 4, 2. I need to check it. Is 1/2 times 4 equal to 2 times 2 minus 2? Is 2 equal to 4 minus 2? It is, and I feel pretty confident about the answer to my problem. Okay, for my next one, again, I check. My x's are in line, which is great. My y's are in line, which are great. My equal signs are in line, which is great. And my answers are in line, which is also great. So I'm going to use elimination this time because, well, I could subtract 3x over and use substitution very simply. So if you like substitution, just subtract that 3x over and substitute in for y. I'm going to use elimination this time. The 7 and the 3 are not big numbers, but 1 and 2 work better. If I multiply through my second equation by -2. Now, you're thinking, why not 2? And the answer is, if you multiply by 2, you have to remember to subtract all 3 terms. And that's just bound to end up wrong. But if we take the first equation and leave it, 7x plus 2y equals -14, and multiply through by a -2. So -2 times 3 is a -6x. -2 times y is a -2y, and 4 times -2 is a -8. We get x equals -22, and this answer is already getting answered quickly. If we had a +2, there is a good chance x would have been -6. All right, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug this into the top equation and solve for y. So I'm going to take 7 times -22 plus 2y equals -14. And then 7 times -22 is a -154 plus 2y equals -14. I'm going to add 154 to both sides. And I'm going to get that 2y is equal to 140. Divide by 2, and I'm going to get that y is equal to 70. So now I have an answer. The answer I have is -22 and 70. I need to check to make sure it works. So I need to check to make sure that 3 times -22 plus 70 equals a +4. So -66 plus 70, that works. So -22, 70 in parentheses, it's an ordered pair, x, y, is our correct answer. All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my Facebook page, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks!